In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Salesforce password. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your Salesforce account, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, resetting your password is a straightforward process. And I'm here to guide you through each step so you can regain access quickly and securely. To begin, you'll need to navigate over to the Salesforce login page. This is where you normally enter your credentials to access your account. If you're unsure, just open your preferred web browser and type in Salesforce login in the search bar, and it should be the first result that pops up. Once you're on the login page, you'll notice a link labeled Forgot Your Password. Click on that link and it will take you to the next step in the process. Now, you will be asked to enter your username. This is the same username you use every time you log into Salesforce. If you're having trouble remembering it, note that for many users the username is often their email address. After typing in your username, click the Continue button. This triggers Salesforce to begin the verification process, which ensures that it's really you who wants to reset the password. Following this, the system will prompt you to verify your identity. Depending on the security settings you've chosen in the past, you might either have to answer a security question or verify your email. If the security question is your method, simply provide the correct answer that you've set up previously. If it's email verification, check your email inbox for a message from Salesforce with further instructions. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folders if the email doesn't appear in your inbox right away. Once your identity is confirmed, you will receive detailed instructions on how to reset your password. Salesforce prioritizes your security, so follow these instructions carefully. There will usually be a link provided in the email. Click on it to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password this time. It's always a good idea to use a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols to make it more robust against unauthorized access. After you've successfully reset your password, go back to the Salesforce login page, enter your username and the new password you just created. That's it, you're back in your account. Remember to keep this password safe and note it down in a secure place if you tend to forget passwords easily. And there you have it, resetting your Salesforce password is as simple as that. I hope this guide was helpful and made the experience a bit less daunting. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.